Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So, we would be looking at WTI crude oil for this week. I mean, if you take a look at this movement, this was around June. From the time of June, July, August, we've got into September. WTI has literally been giving us an uptrend move. This is clearly a bullish move. We are currently trading at a level of 89. That is where the market closes now. So I still believe we would get to a level of 100. So that is to tell you that we still have more movement to the upside on WTI. Now, before I go ahead and continue with this our explanation of what we should be expecting on WTI, to those of you that are having trouble growing up your account, right? Those of you that would love to take a trade with us, you can now subscribe to us. Especially those of you that were actually making a complaint that you can't really access the channel, you can now do that. Once you go to the comment section, you will see the link to our Patreon channel. Subscribe to our Patreon channel. And to those of you that don't know, there we put out high probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning, trade that we have higher chances of winning. That is what we put on that channel. So if you're interested, all you just have to do is go to the link in the comment section, subscribe to the Patreon channel, join the team there, and you'll get to trade with us because we would also be looking to take a trade on WTI. Now, if in case you want to get some confirmation on those trades we've taken so far, you will see the link to some of those playlists of trade we've taken this week that just ended. These are a couple of trades we actually took this week, by the way. You will see the link in the comment section. So this week also we will want to look at WTI. If you're interested, you can join the team. The link in the comment section. Now back to this our analysis. When you take a look at WTI, clearly this is an uptrend move, right? Higher highs and higher lows is what playing out. Now let's highlight some levels here on this WTI. You will see something like this. Let's start from here because we will start off this recent move, which is August, right? When you take a look at this, you see that price, this is our trend line. Price came from this level. We said gave us that bullish move. This is second tapping. Price was able to drop, tap this level, right? Give us a bullish move, give us a new higher highs, thereby taking out this previous highs. Now, what has price done? Price has eventually dropped, and we've now seen it close to this our trend line. You can see it. So I believe it will drop down probably to a level of 89.00 because currently the market is trading at 89.90. It depends on broker, by the way. Your own broker is very much likely to be different from my own. But my own closes at 89.90. Yours could close at 90 or maybe 89.50. Just know that it is different, by the way. But one thing is that WTI will drop a little bit, then we should now see another movement to the upside. So basically, we are still on this an uptrend move. Like I said, I'm still expecting a movement to the upside to a level of 100. Now, will there be changes to this direction? Yes, there can be. There can be a change. That is if markets eventually break below this trend line. Once it breaks below this trend line, also drop again to break this lows. If this WTI can just come break this trend line, one, to the extent it drops again and break these lows, then our bias might change. We might not be okay watching out for maybe a continuous downward movement. But if price does not do that, then we are very much likely to continue the movement to the upside. So just watch out for it. Like we all know, we trade what we see and not what we think. All what we're just saying is what possibly might happen, but we would only trade it exactly what market is doing. If we can get a buy setup and we get a confirmation that price wants to start going bullish, then definitely we are going to buy. But if we get a confirmation and setup that our price wants to start going bearish and we get a sell setup and every other thing, then we will go ahead and sell. Like I said, we will only trade what you see and not what you think. So all what we are just saying, like what I would say probably thinking is that we will continue the movement to the upside. But if in case price does not give me that buy setup, I definitely not going to take that buy until I get the setup and confirmation that okay, there is a movement to the upside. Then and then we will take that buy. So that is exactly what you are watching out for. The WTI, we should continue the movement to the upside. So currently, probably we should see it. Like I said, I'll be expecting to hit a level of 100. Possibly we might even break a level of 100. So possibly we might break a level of 100 and hit a level of 103. But first target should be a level of 100. Then we would know what market we do next. So first, I will see this week. Let's try and see if we can hit a level of 97 this week. Because currently we are trading at 89. This week that I'm predicting, let's see if we can, if there's every possibility we would hit a level of 97. Then see if they will break out, then we will head to a level of 100, then we will continue. So every other thing will be covered on the Patreon channel. So if you're interested, all you just have to do is go to the Patreon channel, subscribe, and you'll get updates from us on WTI.